How to fix ChatGPT not working. If ChatGPT is not working or loading, then in this video, I will guide you on how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is clear the cache of your browser. For that, you want to click on the three dots. Now you can directly select delete browsing data option or click on the settings option. Now once you're here, select privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data. Now for time range, select all time. Now you want to check all of these boxes, then select delete data option. Once that is done, you want to reload ChatGPT and see if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is disable any extensions. For that, click on the three dots again, then select extensions. Now click on manage extensions. Here you want to disable any extensions. If you have VPN on, you want to disable that as well. Once that is done, check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you want to use ChatGPT on incognito mode. For that, click on these three dots, select new incognito window option, then head over to chatgpt.com and check if your problem is fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then you want to check if ChatGPT servers are down. For that, head over to websites such as Down Detector and check if the server of ChatGPT is down. If it is, then it will take some time for this problem to be solved. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.